Bhumika Patel. Welcome you all in live Jharkhand breaking headlines today. Headlines today is sponsored by SOA University, NIPS School of Hotel Management, ISM Pundak, Lakshmi Vilas Bank Gold Loan, Zero Worries Private Limited and Budhia Bagan. PM Narendra Modi said that we are moving towards New India, aspirations are there, dreams are there, which will be fulfilled. According to the Prime Minister, the whole world witnessed the power of India during Republic Day parade in Rajpath. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said on the death anniversary of Rajmata Scindia that her sacrifice is a symbol of patriotism. Tomorrow, Republic Day celebration will be celebrated across the country. Chief Minister Hemant Soren will be in Dumka today and tomorrow he will unfurl the national flag in the police line ground. The main program of the Republic Day celebration will be held at the Moravadi ground in Ranchi. Governor will take the salute. Babulal Marandi breaks ties with the Hemant Soren government, withdraws support. National Voters Day is being celebrated today across the country including Jharkhand. Many programs were organized across the state. Chief Minister Hemant Soren takes initiative for re-admission of more than 48 students who were disqualified after taking admission. Now Aadhaar card and voter ID card will be linked. Central government issued instructions. State government released 139 prisoners meet their families after a long time. Tension prevails in Lohardaga. Many incidents happened yesterday during curfew. Police trying to make peace. BJP leader Arun Singh said Hemant government is not able to handle the pressure of Congress party. Congress MLA Irfan Ansari said he will resign as acting president after inclusion of JVM MLA Pradeep Yadav. The process of admission for the remaining seat of Engineering and Polytechnic of Jharkhand will start from January 28.